once in a while, this video goes viral. This is entirely fake, and I want to tell you why that's so obvious to me. First, as described in this video, the moon goes from horizon to horizon in about 30 seconds, which does not happen anywhere on Earth. Now, it says this is happening at the Arctic Circle, and it's true, things can look weird at the North and South poles. Like the sun, instead of rising and setting, can make a circle around your horizon. But the red flag here is that it only lasts a few seconds. The movement of the moon through our sky is predominantly governed by the rotation of the Earth. The moon does have a proper motion, it's moving around the Earth, but the rate at which that is happening is a lot slower than the Earth's spin. So when the moon rises and sets, it's because the Earth is spinning underneath it, and the rate of that spin is the same no matter where on Earth you are. So the moon is never going to be up for just 30 seconds. Here we can see a bit of another red flag for me, which is that when you watch the full video, the moon is spinning. Is tidally locked with Earth, which means that the same side of it is always facing us. Now there's a little bit of a wiggle that you can see over time, but we never actually see the moon spin around like this. And finally, there's the size of the moon here. There's a part of this video where they show an eclipse, and you can see how huge the moon is relative to the sun. Their explanation for this is we're seeing the moon at perigee, which is the point in the moon's, they say stars, but the moon's orbit when it's closest to the Earth. Now it's true, the moon doesn't orbit in a perfect circle. Sometimes it's closer to the Earth and sometimes it's further away. But that difference in size is only up to 14%. If the moon were ever this big in our sky, first of all, we'd notice it everywhere, not just the Arctic Circle, and second of all, it would be bad for us. And I share all of this because there is so much fake stuff out on the internet, and when it comes to astronomy, I want to help give you all the tools to spot some of these things for yourself. If the moon is giant or spinning or moving really fast through the sky, it's not a real video.